Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this video. This is Josie with Market with Josie. Just want to show you how I get daily notifications of brand new content that I do not even have to write. It's going to be content related to my landing page. And my landing page is going to be related to something that I want to sell or promote. So let me show you how that works. We'll go right into my Gmail. And you'll get an email just like this every day that say your social marketing posts are ready. It says the artificial intelligence engine has created new social marketing posts for you to share on social media. Click the button below to see today's posts. So just click on there. It's going to take us over to Royalty. I am doing this right off my phone so you guys can see. We're going to go to social posts. And here we have our suggested posts. This is for my landing page for Royalty. It's another one for Rosales Resale, which is a site that I am promoting to do with, it's my Shopify store actually, that has to do with selling sport activities. So I'm getting new content right from here that I can put right on my blog that's attached to my Shopify. And I don't even have to come up with it. I just copy this and send it over there. Here's another one. What are the health benefits of yoga? Another one I can put on there. Here's Facebook marketing tips. And another landing page, Market with Josie. So what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to put Rosales Resale. I'm going to go ahead and post this one. Click on post. I started this at 9:56. I'm going to see how long it takes to post. I'm going to go ahead and put that on Twitter. Actually, I'm going to put that on Facebook. Click on Facebook. It's going to take me over there. I'm going to say, get your health in order. And put that as a tip. I'm just going to say post. It's going to ask me if I posted successfully. I'm going to say yes. And now my marketing is done. It's going to ask me if I want to add this to my blog. Every time you make a landing page, a blog will be attached to it automatically. So I'm going to say yes. And now my blog is done. Awesome. And just like that, because I just started this brand new landing page, I don't have any contacts on there as of yet because I just started that late last night. But once I start getting people that go to my landing page and put in their name and email address, they will start to get these messages automatically. So that is how easily I can post to my social marketing sites, whether it's Twitter or Facebook or Instagram. They will be adding more social sites in the future. I'm sorry, they don't have Instagram as of now. They have LinkedIn. Instagram is in the works. So if you want to know how to get daily content sent to you, where you can post easily within 1 minute and have your marketing done for the day, go ahead and leave your information below this video or check out the link below this video for more information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.